Everybody's coming in when they get iPhone 17.
iPhone 17. Okay, we're not gonna phone.
I did iPhone 17.
Okay, we're not gonna any of these other people.
Yeah, just him.
Okay.
That's it. Just him.
Yeah, just me.
We'll control the crowd.
Okay, thank you.
All good. Yeah, just arts.
I'm gonna take you in the back. I'm gonna take you in the back. We're gonna get it handled.
All right. Thank you.
Just him.
Yeah, but can you guys help me?
We'll control the crowd.
Yes.
We'll control the crowd.
Yeah. They.
Yeah, just keep the door shut.
Let's get it.
This is taking a long time.
I told you, bro. You gotta connect to Starlink. When you get in the car, connect to Starlink.
Okay.
You hear me? When you get to the car, connect to Starlink. Or the other phone.
The other phone.
Yeah. So it transfers quicker.
What if we give Mike? Cause his.
So you get that new 18
I kind of like the theme.
camera, and then,
So this is an iPhone here.
and then if you're doing the, the dual mode here, you can basically record what's happening out there, and then you can
Record yourself too.
record yourself too.
Can I do that on a 17 Pro Max?
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
shit! I didn't even know that was a thing.
Yes, sir.
Fuck. I didn't even know that was a thing.
We're rich in lives here today.
All right,
Okay, wait. Tell me the specs.
we got 17 Pro Max, 512 gigabytes. That's all I got for you.
Chat, do I do it?
You do it. You do it.
Oh, do I do it?
Yes, you do.
It's not the 1 terabyte or the 2 terabyte.
Do you want to see if I have another color?
So the max gigabyte is 500 gigabytes.
2 terabytes.
So you have 2 terabyte?
You can look.
That's the biggest one.
Please, I need it. I'm a.
There?
Yes.
You guys want to see some? We got some here.
Just switch the shotgun. Switch the shotgun. Switch the shotgun. It's his room. Switch the shotgun.
These are 17.
17 Pro. 17 Pro.
Oh, y'all have it?
And then iPhone Air is right over here.
Shotgun now.
17 Pro Max. So I can have this?
Not that one specifically, but
Wait, that's it.
That time. It's that time. It's that time to get it. I've been waiting for this moment. Oh yeah. It's that time.